So I bought this 18 volt submersible pump. It's made by Bosch. I bought it because every now and then I've got a bit of a puddle or something I need to pump out, especially when I'm dozing. A couple of times when I've been digging dams, I've had a small shower of rain, and then a bit of water gets in the bottom of the dam, and you can pump most of it out with the petrol powered pump, but you get to that last little bit, that's a hassle because it will stay muddy for days. But if you could pump it out, it'd be good, but the petrol powered pump can't handle it. So I bought a little pump like this just to handle that last little bit of water out of the cutting of a dam that I'm dozing. So what the trouble is it's Bosch, and Bosch runs on Bosch batteries. And I've only got two of these Bosch batteries. They're the same 18 volt as Makita, but they're only 1.5 amp hours. So you get bugger all time pumping with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get it run on this Makita 6 amp hour batteries. So this is the Bosch battery compartment. This is where the submersible pump pumps in, and all this housing is waterproof, so that if you get a little bit of a shower of rain or something, when you've left your pump out there, it doesn't damage your battery. So we open it up. So I've undone this. This is all for the Bosch battery. So we've got that out and taken that out. Let's throw that away. And I bought this off eBay. This is a Makita battery adapter. It's about $15 delivered, cheap as chips. We're going to connect her onto here. So I've got these little solder stick connections. I've used them for a few jobs now, and they've been pretty good. And we're going to use them to connect these wires together using our Makita heat gun. Okay, these solder connections have a little bit of time to cool down now. So yeah, they're pretty strong. Let's see how we went. We've got our 3 amp hour battery here. Slides into the adapter. Straight in here. We can close it up. Now we can still put our Makita battery in the waterproof box. We better go and give it a test. So we got our pump. It's just got an ordinary garden hose connection on it. We'll clip her in. Straight into the water. We'll plug her into the power and see how we went. And just like that, we've gone from Bosch to Makita power.